Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to install a safety brace for a ceiling fan. For this job, you're going to need a couple tools. For this job, you will need a hammer, drill, and screws. Here we have a safety brace for a ceiling fan. What this does is it allows you to put it between your joists in your ceiling, depending on what the sizes of your joists actually are. You can adjust it so that way if you have 2 foot on center or 16 on center, or if it's a remodel and they're not quite right, you can adjust it just to fit the size of joist that you have. These are nice because they help stabilize the fan, unlike just a regular box nailed to a 2x4. Now here I have made just a model of the joists that would be in your attic or in your ceiling. The only difference is you'll be working upside down. I got this on a workbench. So what you'll do is you'll take and you'll put it into position. You want to make sure that you have the distance right, so that way when you put your drywall up, the box is right where you want it. Now you can actually slide the box back and forth this way to put it where it needs to go, but you can't slide it the other way, so you want to make sure you get this measurement correct, and this can vary a little bit until you put your drywall up. And once you do, you can actually screw it into place. And on the side, there's these little spikes. So you'll put it there, use your hammer, and tack it into place. After you get it tacked into place, take your drill and your screws. I'm going to be using 1-inch screws with a built-in washer. You'll take your screw and locate it on the safety brace. There are holes. You'll put the screw right into it, drilled into place. Now since this is a fan, I'm going to put 4 screws in there. That way it's nice and secure and it's not going to wobble. And you'll go ahead and do that to both sides. Now when it comes to putting the box in the right spot, located on the inside of the box, there are 2 screws. You'll put the box right where you want it to go, and then tighten it up with your drill. Now, the box is secure in there, and it's not going anywhere. You're ready for drywall or your ceiling. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to install a safety brace for your ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.